When you're sitting in a concert hall, we are told that we have to be completely silent in the way that we give attention to the music that's happening. Now, that's completely understandable if the music is very quiet, or if we're in a reverential sort of atmosphere. And yet music demands our engagement. It doesn't exist without our listening engagement, and there are many signs of that. Whether it's applauding between movements, we know that happened until the mid-20th century. It was absolutely commonplace for all classical music. That's how Elgar's symphonies and the movements within them were encored by the audience, because we were so fired up by what we were hearing that we were applauding. Give us it again. For Mozart's symphonies and operas, not only did he want us to applaud, he needed us to applaud to know that what he was doing was any good at all. All that's disappeared, and we now have this ludicrous situation where silence and only silence is the order of the day. But actually, our bodies are always moving with the music. We're literally being pummeled by the vibrations that classical musicians, in this case, are making. So why shouldn't we want to respond to that bodily and indeed noisily? And not only that, there are repertoires of the music we call classical, from Bach to Mozart, Haydn, Beethoven to Lili Boulanger and Pauline Oliveros, that are written for us to listen to, that in fact our listening is part of the fabric of their composition. Whether that's going to be noisy approbation, applause in Mozart's symphonies, or a different kind of meditative silence. A silence, though, that is not passive but active and engaged. Noisy.